Hi everyone, my name is Wada. I'm leading a marketing team in Sony Philippines. Today I'm really excited to host Hybrid Wedding Shooting Masterclass. And this is one of the largest scale workshops this year, particularly in Cebu. I'm very excited.
I took this opportunity na pumunta dito kahit malayo pa kami na nasa Mindanao pa kami. Sumakay pa kami ng barko, papunta lang rito para makasali lang nito at mag-learn ng more about this field.
Saktong-sakto talaga na wala kaming shoot at gusto talaga namin matuto in how mag-shoot ng photo and video.
To be hands-on with Sir Jiggy as he's my idol and he's my online mentor, learning how to light properly for my future weddings and for my future brides and grooms.
I'm inspired on how he shoots and interacts with clients and also how he does his photo edit.
I've been following him for like 3 years now on Instagram, and I wanted to see him live in action.
We created different pocket spaces here at Block Residences. It's basically a black canvas, and then we dressed them up so they can move stuff around and play with their compositions as they create content for this weekend.
My first time trying high frame rate slow motion video with the ZV-1 camera, and it was a very exciting experience for me.
The goal of this workshop for me is to be able to share yung mga personal experiences ko with weddings. And iba ang personal experience by the book na knowledge.
It was amazing to watch because it became an immersive experience for the shooters. They got to play with the different textures and they got to light everything up. It was truly a sensory experience.
Di namin in-expect na ganito kadami pero sobrang naano pa rin nila, na-accommodate nila lahat kami. Hindi kami parang paupo lang na walang nangyayari. Nakipag-usap talaga sila sa amin na tinuturuan talaga kami.
Marami akong natutunan, mga tips and tricks ni Sir Yu.
Very helpful for us, especially the beginners, the amateur photographers.
First of all, thank you very much to all our Cebuano friends and our friends from neighboring areas of Cebu for coming and taking time out to actually be here with us in this 2 full-day workshops. It's actually 2 separate workshops, identical to each other, yesterday and today. And honestly, it was such a fun experience. I do love always going here to Cebu. I think we did really well in terms of the number of participants. Also, when it comes to the set design, I really loved it. I think we really did set a new bar for Sony workshops.
For day 1 and day 2 na students, sobrang thank you sa inyo na pumunta kayo.
Ganda ng workshop, start till the end. Approachable yung mga teacher natin at saka yung mga staff. Ang galing. Ang dami namin natutunan. Maraming salamat po.
It was a very worthwhile experience to come here.
Para sa akin, parang legendary na sa video at photo yung nag-train sa amin ngayon. At hindi talaga matutumbasan ng pera yung na-learn ko talaga ngayon sa Wedding Masterclass ng Sony. So sobrang thankful talaga ako doon.
Napaka-wonderful na experience. It's a once in a lifetime, especially sa mga Sony and non-Sony users.
I had a vision in my head on how this workshop will turn out. But with the help of all our brand partners and of course Sony Philippines for allowing everyone to collaborate in this particular workshop.
Thank you Sony Philippines and all the suppliers, Nanlite, Ziyun.
To the Kings for allowing us to use the Block Residences. Kultura for sending all the items that we use for all the set designs. Of course, Kitty Bunag for taking time out from her busy schedule to style everything. You know, it's really raising the bar. Sony really raised the bar for this particular workshop, so let's hope it's just gonna get better and better from here on. And don't forget, we have the best full-frame mirrorless system camera with Sony. That's why Sony's #1.
Sony #1.
Thank you so much, Sony. You're number one.
Sony, you're the number one.
Sony, you're number one!
Sony, you're the number one.
Sony, number one.
Sony number one!
Thank you, Sony. You're number one.
Sony number one!
Sony, you're number one.
Sony,